subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has finally launched its new smartphone globally called OnePlus 10T with a unique rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus 10T features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and both the front and rear panel of the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 10T supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes 150MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119.9° field of view, along with the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Oxygen OS 12.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4800 mAh battery that supports 150W SuperVOOC fast charging. For gaming, the company has added Hyper Boost mode feature for better performance, and it has a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 75.4 by 8.8mm, and it weighs around 203.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus 10T has been priced in India as follows, while in the USA has been priced as follows, and in the European market it is priced as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in jade green and moonstone black color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 10T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.